So if you want to set up the MightyHoops so you can be able to center the frame with those using the machine, there's a process that you can do. So what you're going to do is grab one of your hoops. So this is a PT15. I'm going to go back under my frame and I'm going to select the round one and I'm going to select the 150. And now it tells me to move it to that point. So I'm going to do that. Oop, wrong way. And I want it as close as I can. So right there is perfect. Now I'm going to pull this one out. And then I'm going to grab my MightyHoop. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically make a little mark in it. I'm probably going to affect my needle a little bit, but okay, so now right there I have a mark. You can't see it really well, so what I'm going to do is try to take a cap off a Sharpie one-handed. And right here you can see these little marks. All I'm going to do is put a dot, and then now all I got to do is line it up with that dot in the future. And I can basically just swap this out with another MightyHoop and do all of them, because now I know that that's that spot. And then when I hit enter, it is centered.